Hello everyone, uh, welcome back to the channel. If you are applying for an LLM or a study abroad program, your CV plays a huge role. Today I will be dealing with how to make a strong or powerful CV for studying abroad. I am also an international student, so I just want to help you through this video. Number one is step one, your personal information is required. Personal information means your name, your LinkedIn profile, your contact information, and the city or place where you live, that your locations related aspect. And the second thing you must have to mention in CV is your academic performance. In the academic performance, list your qualification in reverse chronological order, starting from the most recent. So your university name, your degree, year of graduation, your GPA percentage, if you love to share it. Otherwise, you don't need to share it. And any academic achievements, like if you have offered with some type of good scholarship, then mention those scholarship in it. And the next thing is next thing that will make your CV more better is research, publications and articles. If you have written any research papers, articles or publications, this will make your CV stand out. That includes title of the research out there, where it was published, a journal, website or blog, a short description of your findings. If you have not published it, start writing. Even a blog post or legal opinions also counts. In the same way, another step is your work experience and internship. US university loves experiences, so your practical experience is very crucial. List your internship, jobs, or legal experiences, like this position, organization name, dates, responsibilities and contribution, any major cases, projects or legal matters you handled. So mention those. If you have not been in those offices, then even part-time jobs or assistant roles also count, so don't escape this. In the same way, another step is your voluntary works and social contribution. University love applicants who contribute to the society. Mention your NGO's involvement, pro bono services, community services, any legal aid program, any social justice related works, any human rights related works, or any extracurricular activities. This shows that you are passionate about making a difference, which law schools or any schools appreciate you. In the same way, another step is your showing your leadership and extracurricular activities, where you involve in, if you have involved in student organization, moot courts related, debate clubs, or highlight those. Example, if you have been president of some society, organizer of some conferences, or you have been participated in some moot court competitions, then write those. Leadership experiences shows that you are not just academically strong, but also a well-rounded individual. In the same way, mention awards and recognitions also. If you have any award, whether academic, legal or extracurricular, make sure to include them. Best researcher award, best speaker award, or top scorer in law schools, or if any NGOs or any entity, government entity has recognized you separately through awards, then mention those. Even small awards can boost your profile, so don't be shy, mention those. And at the last, you have to make your you can also involve some technical and soft skills that you have, research skills, that that software, that hardware skills, related skills, technical type of skills, your typing skills, or other legal skills, like legal research skills, contract drafting skills, public speaking, negotiation, language proficiency. This all counts, so mention those. And finally, I just want to mention that your CV should not be more than 2 pages. 1 or 2 pages is sufficient. It must be well structured with clear headings, it must be free from spelling or grammar errors, and it must be in PDF format. And this is how you make a strong CV for studying abroad. If you follow this step, your CV will be professional, it will be impressive, and it will be for the application ready. So if you need any help, I will be drop a comment below. I will be happy to assist you. And I will be providing you a sample of CV and all those required documents to apply abroad. Stay with me, be in touch with me. I'll help you. Thank you very much.